So here we are preparing the acetabulum. So preparation of the acetabulum starts with the validating or registration of the points. There are 16 points in the cavity, acetabular cavity, and 16 points outside the cavity. We have just now marked the out inside, and now we are trying to do outside, anterior column, posterior column, and then the posterior most point. And then it will ask for the anterior horn and posterior horn. We have to cross check the points which CT scan has already shown and what we have marked. So both has to coincide. The error should be less than 0.5 mm, and there will be 32 points totally. And then this is the spears. The blue spears should turn into green color. That means the additional validation of checkpoint spears. It is called as validation of checkpoint spears. So once all the 5 spears of blue color turns to green color, means we have completed the registration of the acetabulum. Then comes the step called the giving the control to the robo, then the robotic reaming. So reamer will check the 4 things: depth, inclination, version, and medialization throughout the reaming. So green colored means still bone needs to be prepared. White color means you have reached the planned reaming depth, and red means you have gone beyond the planned preparation. So we are mounting the reamer. This particular patient acetabulum is telling 48 mm, so I always start with the 47 mm, and we can directly go with 48 and complete the procedure. Here we are starting with the 47, and you can see that there is a green color. This green color should go, and whole of that model CT model, that 3D model, should come as a white color in the acetabulum. So there are also some points, some values which shows the inclination and version, what is we have planned and how much we have kept. Here we have planned 38 degree inclination and 16 degree anteversion. So we are reaming. So you can see that as we go on reaming, that green colored area inside the acetabulum should turn into white color. That means we have completed the reaming. So normally hemispherical acetabulum we have to ream 1 mm less based on the bone density and based on the bone sclerosity. If we are planning to use a PSL, 1 mm more we have to ream. Like normally, you can see that white colored area is completely disappearing. Only margins have become red because the margins of capturing osteophytes. While we introduce the reamer inside, it would have become red. Now it is completely over. This means the reaming is complete. After reaming is complete, the most important step is the shell impaction. The shell impaction, you can see the blue colored shell. That means the shell we have kept in the acetabulum, and it is showing how much inclination, how much version we have kept, and we have to impact it. As we impact, you can see that there is also a value that how much of the cup is away from the implanting ideal position of the acetabulum, of the shell. So here it will start from normally 10 mm, 9 mm, 8 mm. As we go on impacting, that distance of the ideal cup position to the position which is now will be reducing. So we have to ream up to 2 mm, and then this is the final. Just 2-3 tap on the acetabulum and check the acetabulum validation. Final validation is what? That one of the rim, there will be 2-3 rims in the normal trident shell. So one of the rim, take 5 points and assess the inclination and version of how much we have achieved. In this particular patient, we have achieved 42 degree inclination and 18 degrees of version. That is a planned, the 4 degree more than the planned inclination and 2 degree more than the planned